is my deepest, strongest plea. Lord, change me, and oh, to be like you, oh, to reflect the God I know, the love you show, and this is my love.